growing mushrooms out of a stuffed Donald Duck.
I be doing weird shit.
Test maker, salute to you. This is kind of a disaster. The mycelium is pretty old. The grain is old. It's a mess. There's mycelium everywhere. I'm going to be using some kind of sharp tool. Isopropyl alcohol, 71%. Colonized spawn grain. I'm going to weigh it out right now. Cocoa core. And a torch to flame sterilize the utensil. And then here's our object. Our test maker. Salute to you. So he weighs basically 68 grams. And lastly, the HEPA filter that's running in the background. Alright, and then we're going to hollow it out for the most part and leave some kind of tissue for the mycelium to grab onto. We're just taking out all the fluff. You know, the stuff is. I'm trying to do a 1-to-1 ratio, but honestly that's probably shot out of the idea now, out of the window. Alright. Sweet mycelium smell. The mycelium is a little old to be honest, but this will do. This is a failure.
That's cap. This piece of content ended up sending me to 1,000 followers on Instagram. Thank you so much, y'all. Love.
And then after this, I'm going to seal it up with micropore tape, or at least try to.
And so I'm just layering the growing medium with cocoa core, some more cotton, and grain.
Cool. And then now I'm actually going to mist it. I hope this grain is still good. Honestly, I have no idea if it is. I can't really tell. Alright, so there's that. But you know what? It's gonna work, okay? It'll be okay. So, there's some grain in there. I'll put some more grain in there. 2. Followed by some more cocoa core. already is. The weight distribution is so off that it falls off to the side. And then now I want to mix the mycelium and the fluff and the cocoa core. Let's see if it's better now. Alright, we're good. I didn't use half of the old mycelium, but it is what it is. It's okay. Let's see how it performs.
I should have honestly used way more grain, but it is what it is. I'm just so thankful that it was able to fruit.
I'm going to get the outside layer moist. Okay, I'm not going to be putting Donald Duck into his coffin. May he rest in peace.
Daffy Duck, I'm so sorry for getting them confused. Luckily, not too many people noticed that.
The final steps of this surgery involve next care gentle paper tape. I'm going to be doing like 2 to 3 layers to really seal the deal, and not only that, to really like add like a little filter for FAE to occur. Sorry for cutting it short, guys. The video ends here because I accidentally deleted 8 pieces of footage. Isn't that fucking crazy? It's kind of fucking crazy. But yeah, thank you. I'm still processing the fact that I just did this.